The top 5 features of the best weatherproof paint. Dear friends, when it comes to protecting your home's exterior against the elements, choosing the right weatherproof paint is crucial. This type of water-resistant paint not only enhances the appearance of your property but also ensures long-lasting protection. Here, we'll explore the top 5 features that define the best weatherproof paint available on the market. 1. Superior water resistance. The primary feature of water-resistant paint is its ability to repel water and moisture effectively. This is vital for preventing damage like blistering, peeling, and mold growth, especially in areas with high rainfall or humidity. The best weatherproof paint creates a durable barrier that moisture cannot penetrate, ensuring your home stays dry and damage-free. 2. UV protection. Continuous exposure to the sun's ultraviolet, UV, rays can fade and degrade the paint's color and quality over time. Top-quality weatherproof paint contains UV blockers that protect the paint film from the harsh effects of the sun. This feature helps maintain the vibrancy and integrity of the paint color, keeping your home looking fresh and new for years. 3. Flexibility. Temperature changes can cause surfaces to expand and contract, which can lead to cracks in the paint. The best weatherproof paint formulations include flexible materials that adapt to these changes, preventing cracking and flaking. This elasticity ensures that the paint remains intact and protective, regardless of weather conditions. 4. Dirt and stain resistance. An often overlooked but crucial feature of weatherproof paint is its ability to resist dirt and stains. High-quality paints are formulated with advanced technologies that prevent dirt particles from adhering to the paint surface, making it easier to clean and maintain. This keeps your home looking cleaner and more attractive without the need for frequent touch-ups. 5. Longevity and durability. The best weatherproof paint offers exceptional longevity and durability, reducing the need for frequent repainting. These paints are designed to withstand the rigors of the environment, from heavy rains and intense sun to strong winds. Investing in high-quality weatherproof paint means you can enjoy a beautiful, resilient finish that saves money and effort over time. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.